today's video, I'm going to show you the Yamaha PSS 50 test mode. So what you do is you want to press the two very last keys on the right. So you want to press these two, press and hold them together, and then you want to turn it on as far as the switch can go until you hear a snare drum. Once you hear a snare drum, anytime you flick the switch now, it'll make rhythm sounds. So this means that the keys make noise, but also the buttons on the top make noise, such as volume, tempo, sound effects, demo button, even the numbers. So they all make noise. The enter button also makes noise. Everything makes noise on here. And again, the switch. And to get it out of this mode, you just turn it off and then turn it back on.